Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the YouTube application on your LG TV. Now, if I go back to the home screen, we should be able to see it under this app list right here. So just use your remote and go to this little bar and scroll to the right or left. And we should be able to find it just under here. Then all you have to do is click it and then it should automatically update. But if not, go all the way to the left and go to where it says apps right here and select this. Then we can go to search and then just simply search for YouTube. So YouTube, and it should pop up. I just saw it for 1 second. And we want to get YouTube, not YouTube TV. The TV version is like the cable channels and stuff. So here's YouTube right here. Do not get YouTube TV if you just want to watch the YouTube. So let's go to the YouTube and select it. And then you should be able to launch it and update it like that. And it should show up under your app list. If it doesn't, go all the way to the right and go to edit app list. And then you should be able to find it somewhere in here and then just drag it to the top. So I'm going to move this one all the way to the left. And this is just the internet browser. Then I can go to close and I can see it right here and I can open it up. So it's very simple. So go ahead and do that. Here's YouTube. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.